I bought my Philco 48482 radio on eBay. This is what it looked like when I bought it. These next pictures show what it looked like under the chassis before I replaced all the paper and electrolytic capacitors. This is after. While I was restoring the electronics, I also restored the cabinet and replaced the grill cloth with a very close match, so it now looks like this. This is a demonstration of my Philco 48482. This is on. To turn the radio off, you push that button. To turn it on, you push that. Or shortwave or FM, whichever band.
By Admiration Foods. Admiration on the label means quality on your table.
Excellent sound. This is the bass control.
That we admire today is the fellow who leads the American League in runs scored. You'd never guess it. Never.
Working well.
The leader, the second baseman of the Minnesota Twins.
Volume.
In Dozier. Brian has scored 77.
Very nice.
Mike Trout of the
on shortwave, even during the day.
About 150 pounds. Well, you're
that's shortwave. Lots of stations, and this is just on the built-in antenna. And this is during the daytime. And on FM, push the button in, helps.
After a fundraiser last night. I think it's great, Steve. Down just as you approach the 146 merge. 146 southbound, minor delays. Getting on to 95, a little slow in the 610 connector inbound right now. 295 north on your brakes.
So FM working too. Nice radio.
Something like this, and Matsui used to have his
and as you can see,
all these people.
Free home solar installation.
The push buttons work too. So it's a very nice radio. And that's the Philco 48482.